Yeah, we're the admin team. We need to take this to the science team. Get the pass. Let's do that for you. Faster. 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 I'm the Lawrence coordinator. You lead the scientific team, it's over there. Faster! 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 20, 25, 30. Oh, 30. Oh, hi. Oh, you probably need a science team. We are the finances. So if you want them, just go straight ahead and they're there.
Hi, we're the social team. Come party with us.
Oh, come on, not again.
This is scientific team. What do you need? Oh, application. Here we go. Really, if you have a problem, go see the boss.
Oh, hi. So, I'm the marketing guy. Please come here, See our office here. So, this is where we do all the creative stuff, and it's just, man, those are not CDI. These are CDI, please.
Oh,
so, anyway, this is where we do our, creative stuff and all that. Oh, you want to see the boss? It's right over there. I mean, and she's mad. So, be careful.
Oh, you've been rejected. Too bad.
More luck next year.
Hi, so in real life, this is not the way we're going to treat your application, so we do encourage you to apply and to visit us.
We hope we will see you in Sarajevo from the 16th to 19th November 2017. Bye! Bye!